Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore a simple but very useful feature in the Vivaldi browser on your phone. This feature allows you to easily close background tabs by showing an X button on them. First, open the Vivaldi browser on your phone. Next, tap on the Vivaldi icon at the top right. From this menu, scroll down and select the Settings option to access Browser Preferences. Then, inside the Settings menu, look for the section called Tabs and tap on it to continue. Next, keep scrolling until you find the option called Show X button for background tabs. Then, simply turn this option on by tapping the toggle switch next to it. Once enabled, you will notice that all your background tabs now have an X button, allowing you to close them quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.